Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download your own Instagram story. So first and foremost, let's go over to story and let's make a story. So now that we're here, let's just create something real quick. And yeah, now I'm just going to mute this because I don't want it. There's two ways of saving this. One, you want to save it. If you want to save it right now, you want to click on that downwards arrow that's on the top right corner. Once you click on it, it's going to come up as processing and then video saved. And then that's about it. Now we don't want to use this, so we want to go back to our account because we want to save the story that we already posted. So here we are, and now let's look at our story. This is the story that we have. It was posted 2 minutes ago, and this is the story that we want to save, right? So we want to click on it and then click on the more option. From here you have this save video option. Click on that and that's gonna save the video as well, save to camera roll. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.